doing over here?
A little of this, a little of that.
What are you doing with this metal?
I'm making a couple of ramps. Spare pieces I had hanging around. For my tow truck, I'm making a set of ramps. You know when you're loading a car on the tow truck and it's a big car or it's a low car?
Yeah.
And the back scrapes on the floor to get on the tow truck?
Yeah.
There's a set of ramps. These things got a name. I forgot what they're called. I use them all the time. It's like you were using wood. You go tow a car, you're showing up with a piece of broken 2x4 from
Yeah, you know, it's not exactly, yeah.
So I'm gonna make something good looking.
Right.
So when I use it, everybody gets excited. I'm gonna taper the two ends so that the car doesn't go up to a big, giant 1-inch jump. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a handle on the side, and you can keep these in the tow truck. I'm gonna do them pretty good. I'm gonna do like 5-footers.
Okay.
About 5 feet long.
Right. What are you gonna cut it with?
Lincoln Electric Flex Cut 65.
Yeah, because the cutting wheel's not gonna do that. I mean, I'm sure it'll cut that.
Yeah, but sometimes,
how long are you gonna be there?
And $1 million
in 2 seconds.
$1 million in cutting discs.
Exactly.
So anyway, all right, let's do it. Put it on for me.
Because you know what? $1 million in cutting discs is a lot. But what are you gonna say? $1 million in air or electrical?
Well, the machine
is
expensive.
Well, we don't talk about that.
So it's got to pay itself off. Let's do it. Can you put that on?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Beautiful.
Sure is. All right, let me turn it over. All right, next I'm going to heat this up right where this line is, and I'm going to bend this down so the car doesn't have a big giant thing to climb over while you're winching it on the tow truck. It'll be a gradual, nice, like, you know, little incline. Now we're going to weld it the whole 9 yards. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. We're going to put a nice little handle right in the middle. I made a couple of handles so this way when you need them you can get them out of the truck really easily.
Oh, I see. Yeah, look how nice.
See this what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like that.
So let me tack these on.
Here, let me set your machine over here. What's that, 3/16?
Yep.
3/5. 19. $350.
Carry you with you. Okay? I just got to finish welding the two ends, you know, on the sides. All right, let me weld it all up, and that's it.
All right, go wild. Make me proud.
I will. There it is. See how we grind it on the ground? Now we're going to use our ramps. Back up. Line it up. See how that worked out? Thanks to Lincoln, we can make our own tow truck ramps.
And thanks to this Lincoln for us to test it on.
Lincoln for Lincoln to Lincoln.
Right.
You see how nice it went up there?
Yep.
Bumper didn't scrape or anything?
Nope.
Very important to have. Shorter the bed, the more you need them.
I mean, we should paint them, but
Well, we'll paint them another time anyway.
yeah, it's not like they're gonna be out in the rain, you know.
Yeah, they will.
Or out in the snow.
Sure
unless
they will.
you're gonna be using them, you're not gonna have them outside.
Well, they will be outside. Wait a minute, wait a
You're
minute.
gonna have them in
Taking over the world!
one set of tow truck ramps built by Lincoln Electric at a time.
Oh yeah, let's go put them in the tow truck now. Oh.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.